Llano. They had a mouse pad, $89.99. I wanted it. It's at my doorstep, and we're gonna open it together. All right, cool. Okay, anyways, there you go. There's the Llano. Get the top open. Oh yeah. Nice little like velvet or something right here. I don't know what that is. We got a cleaning cloth. See what we got. Is there anything else in here? Thank you for choosing Llano. I like that. I like people that do stuff like that. It's so unnecessary, but it's just a nice little, you know? Like, hey, thanks for spending your hard-earned money. Hey, no problem, buddy. Anytime now. Llano. Dang. All right. Eater. We got the Llano label, and it says high efficiency, slow life. I like that. That's adorable. And then we have the, oh my god, imagine if I broke it. It seems like they want it to be kind of vertical, so I'm gonna stick it vertical, I guess. Professional glass gaming mousepad. 17.7 inch by 15.8 inch smooth mousepad with AG Micro-Etched Surface. Hard mouse mat, anti-slip, rubber base, scratch resistant, waterproof, and durable black, large size. First impressions of the Llano mousepad. My Handcam won't focus on it, so we make do. It says high efficiency, slow life. I think that's pretty adorable. Real nice. It's a lot smoother than the Flash Beyond mousepad that we just reviewed recently. Yeah, seems pretty cool. So let's give it a shot, and I'll let you know how it feels. Also, it didn't come with any accessories for the mouse, so I'm just going to use mouse as is. From what I understand, you can only use optical mice or glass mouse pads. You can't use the laser ones. I freaking love Takedown. It's so fun.
3, 2, 1. Round 1. Time to go out there. Payback. Double kill.
Shit on bit.
Last
No! Come on! Bro, that punch should have counted, dude.
double kill. Triple kill. New power weapon in the arena. Guardian Angel.
Punch gets him every time.
Last man standing.
See ya. Play it like Valorant.
Double kill.
Just no scoping.
Double kill. Guardian Angel.
He only has one bullet.
One enemy remaining.
He's right there.
One enemy remaining.
Can we get this?
Round 1.
Round win. Keep it up.
This isn't real life.
Avenger. New power weapon in the arena.
No way. Why'd I go for the punch? I should have just finished it. I should have finished it. A little bit. What's up?
Last man standing.
Oh.
Kill. Last man.
Holy crap, bro. This is what I have to go up against, not.
Last man standing.
Oh my god. Everybody relax. I don't want any trouble. Why are you shooting me? I'm not even visible.
Payback. One enemy remaining.
I knew my role and I completed it. Yo, let's go! Woo. Dude, if we win this,
3, 2, 1. Final round.
oh, I can't hear him. He's talking. Hey, we can win this, dude. It's too easy, bro. Hey, chill, bro. Hey, relax, man. I shocked them. They can't move.
New power weapon in the arena. Payback. Guardian Angel.
Oh. Oh, ho, 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 ho. There's the last one. Uh-oh, behind me.
Avenger. Heating up.
Get cooked, brother.
Guardian Angel.
Not my teammate. Oh my god. Get
Payback.
cooked, fam.
Double kill. One enemy remaining.
No. Come on, that was me! Oh my god, I threw the whole game. 7 seconds, he's up there. He portaled. That's the last one. 4 seconds. You can do it. Yeah, get that bit. Woo!
You win.
Bro, no way we won that. GG's. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Nighty night. Oh shit. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was Llano Glass Mousepad. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really liked it. Smash like, subscribe, check the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next tech review. Bye bye.